Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.